Hi guys, in today's tutorial we're going to be going over how to set up your file to enhance your layout using neon yellow. Now you'll see we already have some yellow elements in our layout. This document contains vector artwork and raster images, so we'll change those one at a time. We're going to start with the vector artwork in the document. Now before we can add any neon yellow, we'll need to create a new swatch. Go over to the Swatch tab. In the top right corner, click New Color Swatch. Color type should be Spot, color mode CMYK, and we're going to make this color 100% yellow to maintain the consistency of our layout. Now we're going to name this swatch Neon Y, capital N, capital Y. That way the Fiery Command workstation will know where to apply the fifth color neon. Alright, so we've added neon Y to our swatches. Now we could go through each individual element and change it from yellow to neon yellow, or we can change it all at once by replacing the yellow color swatch. Alright, now since we're using InDesign, we can actually replace the swatch, replacing the yellow with neon yellow. Now to do that, click on the regular yellow swatch. Then click on the little garbage can icon to delete the swatch. Now before it deletes it, it'll ask you if you want to replace the swatch. So we're going to select neon yellow from the drop-down menu. So once you've clicked OK, any vector artwork in this layout that was yellow is now neon yellow. Now you can easily confirm this by clicking on any of the yellow elements, and it'll show you in the top right corner that everything is neon yellow. Now we'll update the images. Go to the Links tab, right-click on the image, and then select Edit Original. This is going to take us into Photoshop where we can modify the colors and add neon yellow. Now before we add the neon yellow, we need to make sure that the color mode is set to CMYK. Now since this image is already silhouetted and mostly yellow, we don't have to do too much to prepare it. Next, we're going to go into the Channels tab. In the top right corner, click New Spot Channel. Alright, we're going to name our new spot channel Neon Y with a capital N, capital Y to match what's already in our InDesign document, and we're going to keep this color yellow as well. Now you don't have to worry about getting the color yellow exactly the same as the one in the InDesign document, because whatever established yellow is in the InDesign document will override whatever you've set this spot channel to represent. Alright, now that we have our new spot channel, we're going to select the yellow channel. We're going to take the yellow out of that channel, and we're going to place it into the neon yellow channel. So go to your menu bar, click Select, and select All. You can also do this by using Apple A. That will select the entire channel. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cut that yellow out of the channel. You can also use Apple X. So now with the yellow removed, you can see it's just the details are remaining. Go back over to your Channels tab and select the Neon Y channel. Now to make sure we paste it exactly in the same spot, choose Paste Special. Paste into place. You can also use Shift Apple V as a shortcut. So now with our yellow in our neon channel, all we need to do is deselect and save our file. We're going to save it as a PSD. We're going to add neon to the file so we know that this is a neon-coded PSD, and we want to make sure that Spot Colors is selected. Alright, we're going to go back into our InDesign document, and we're going to relink the file with the new neon file. Now since we've taken the information out of the yellow channel and put it in the neon yellow channel, the quick preview may not be able to render that completely, so it may look a little weird. That's okay, the neon channel is in there, so click Open and relink the file. Alright, with that image in place, we're going to update the next one. Follow the same steps, right-click and Edit Original. Now again, this image is already silhouetted and has the yellow in an isolated area. Let's make sure it's a CMYK file before we do any modifications. Alright, we're going to make a new spot channel in our Channels tab, naming it Neon Y. We're going to select All out of the yellow channel. We're going to cut everything out of the yellow channel, and then we're going to paste Special, paste into place on the Neon Y spot channel. Now we deselect and save our file. Again, we're going to add neon to our file name to denote we've added that neon spot channel. Ensure that spot channels is selected, and click Save. Now back in the InDesign document, we're going to relink that file. Now again, notice how the preview window doesn't know how to properly display this file. That's okay, we know the neon's there, so click Open and relink the file. So now that we have our vector artwork in neon yellow and our images encoded with neon yellow, we're ready to export our document. Now you can select File, Export, or you can use Apple E as a shortcut. We're going to save it as an Adobe PDF, and we're going to use the preset PDFX4. And since this is going to be a die-cut piece, we don't have to select any marks or bleeds. Alright, once you've exported your file, we're going to confirm the presence of the neon yellow. So open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Now on the right panel, you'll see a set of tools. If you don't see Print Production, you can add it using the Tool tab. Click on Print Production and then click on Output Preview. Now in the Output Preview box, you can see a list of separations. Now you'll see the standard CMYK process plates, but you're also going to see a neon yellow spot plate. Now one thing I like to do is click on and off on the separations plate with the neon yellow to confirm exactly where the neon should be. Now once you've confirmed the neon's present, you're ready to print your file. Enjoy!